All right, before we get into the meat and potatoes of this chapter, one other thing I wanted to talk about, which is two different systems a company could use or utilize when it comes to recording for their inventory. Now, notice I didn't say choose because it's almost whatever business they are, whatever type of industry they're in, it almost chooses it for them. So let's look at perpetual inventory system first. And as the name implies, perpetual means ongoing, continuing. This continually updates the accounting records for merchandise transactions. Okay. I'm pretty sure you can think of a bunch of businesses that this would not really be conducive to. If you're a business that sells a lot of inventory in a very short amount of time, where you go through the lines and you pay at the cash register and there's a lot of customers coming in, you're probably not going to use a perpetual inventory system, because in essence, it's every time somebody pays for something, you do a journal entry. So if you have millions of customers coming in a given day, you're going to have millions of journal entries. It just doesn't work that way. Typically, if you're a business that is a high price, low turnover good, that's when you can use a perpetual inventory system. So like a car dealership, they don't sell many cars in a single day. They're able to continually and perpetually keep up with their inventory account, and it makes things a little bit easier for them. But if you're a big retail, big box company, you're probably not going to use this. What you're going to use is probably what's called periodic inventory system. That was a really weird graphic right there. So periodic, as the name implies, we're going to do it periodically. We're going to wait and do it at the end of the day or maybe the end of the week. You're not probably going to get too far out there, but this updates the accounting records for the merchandise transactions only at the end of the period. So all of your customers coming in, and then you're just going to wait till the end of the day to do one big journal entry of everything that you sold. That's more conducive to a big box retail company, because they're not going to, every time you go through a drive-through, they're not going to do one journal entry for each drive-through order. They're going to wait until they do it at the end of the day. So that's the difference between periodic and perpetual. Appreciate it.